Hi guys, this is the Mundo from Imagine. This is the Mundo clay, and I'm going to show you how to play Mundo. So, I put in there. This is the pusher of the ice cream. You push this one button. And the white clay, the yellow, the brown, and the things of Mundo Snack Shop. This one is the scoop of popcorn. This is for the pretzels. This is for the putter of your pretzels. You put it into the place. And this is the popcorn cart. This is like a puzzle. You put the smell. This is the Mundo popcorn. Hi, my name is Dana Erica. And there's Charles Justin Pomeroy. And this is the Sheepers Stop. Now I'm going to show you how to play Mundo. First, wait. I put the pusher. And I just wanted to put it gently to the plate. And I just want to push it like this. And I put that cone, wait, the cone of Mundo. And I just wanted to push it like this. Now, it came for Imagine. And let's put on a white clay. If you like to put any kind of your clay, this is the magical dough. It never dries out. And let's push it. And 1, 2, 3. And there's the ice cream. Enjoy it. And let's make some popcorns. I just wanted to make with color yellow. And see this one? It's having a scratch for your clay. No, sorry. I just wanted to put it like that and push it. Oops. The clay. And it's have an eye. And you can also clean the popcorn in cotton bed. In cotton bed. And let's make some popcorn. And I put again. This one is put many. And push, 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 push. Oh, sorry, you can fix this one. It's have a bit, but you can fix it like that. Squeeze, 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 squeeze many times to have the popcorn. And let's take it. That. That. And this is the popcorn. Now let us scoop. I make to show you the first you put this one. Okay. I just want to put it in the place of the tree. It's to separate that. And put this into your place. Put the cone. I know. Put the cone. No. Put the cone. And put the pretzels. And And bye-bye, guys. And this is the